Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Help and Feedback. From there, tap Contact Us. In the support form, explain that your query is about transferring your Google Play balance to a bank account. Then tap Next. You'll be shown different support categories. Select the option that best matches your issue, such as Google Play Store apps or another relevant category, and continue with the support process. You can then contact Google Play support through the available methods, such as chat or email, depending on what's offered in your region. Keep in mind that Google Play balance cannot normally be transferred or withdrawn to a bank account. In most cases, your Play balance can only be used to purchase eligible apps, games, subscriptions, movies, books, and other content available through Google Play. And that's it! So that's basically how you can transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!